Have you ever dreamed of visiting France? Today, we are taking you on a virtual tour of the best places to visit in this enchanting country. Imagine walking through history-steeped streets, sampling world-renowned cuisine, and experiencing a culture that's as rich as its wine. We'll be exploring everything from the romantic cityscapes to the sun-drenched coasts, from bustling metropolises to tranquil, picturesque villages. So, buckle up as we embark on this adventure together. Prepare to immerse yourself in the beauty and charm of France. Our first stop is none other than Paris, the City of Lights. Home to the iconic Eiffel Tower, the breathtaking Notre Dame, and the world-renowned Louvre. Here you'll find yourself lost in a world of chic cafes, serving only the finest gourmet cuisine. Walk along its streets and be mesmerized by the high fashion that Paris is famous for. Every corner, every turn filled with history and elegance. Paris, a city where each corner tells a story. Next, we travel south to the glamorous French Riviera. Here, sun-drenched beaches beckon and upscale resorts promise a taste of the high life. It's a playground for the rich and famous, hosting the dazzling Cannes Film Festival annually. Don't miss out on Nice, a city that's as nice as its name, with its charming old town and vibrant markets. And Saint-Tropez, a sparkling gem of azure waters and golden sand, the French Riviera where the sun always shines. Let's journey to the Loire Valley, a royal legacy etched in stone. Here, magnificent chateaux rise from the landscape, each a testament to the grandeur of France's kings and queens. Amid these architectural wonders, you'll find gardens blooming with colors and vineyards stretching into the horizon, offering a taste of France's renowned wines. This region isn't just a feast for the eyes, it's a journey through time, echoing with the stories of the nation's past. The Loire Valley, a treasure trove of France's royal past. These are just a few highlights of what France has to offer. Remember, Paris's lights, the Riviera's glamour, and the royal legacy of the Loire Valley are only the beginning. Uncover more hidden gems in your journey. If you enjoyed this virtual tour of France, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Au revoir and happy travels.